What if this spell actually worked and Prue survived? Charmed fans have long pondered this possibility. In the beginning of Season 4, Episode 1, they aimed to bring their oldest sister back with a lost witch.
Look, I know that this all sounds incredible, but it doesn't make it any less true, all right? You're a healer, you do good. Now, either you have saved too many lives, or you're about to save a life that they don't want you to save.
They?
Yeah, demons. More specifically, Shax, who is the Source's assassin.
What?
I don't know, I just felt a chill. Phoebe? Phoebe, you there? Phoebe, where are you?
However, the spell failed to bring Prue back, and her story ended prematurely. This was a deeply emotional moment for many fans. But what if the spell worked differently?
In this night and in this hour, I call upon the ancient power. Bring back my sister. Bring back the power.
Phoebe.
Magic shifts, and the energy feels stronger. Prue appears alive and aware, not as a ghost, but as an actual presence. Confused and aware, the sisters feel the impact of this changed reality. Hope, shock, and fear permeate as the consequences of this magic become increasingly dire.
Power of the witches, rise. Course unseen across the skies, come to us who call you near. Come to us and settle here. Blood to blood, I summon thee. Blood to blood, return to me. Prue.
Perhaps some stories were never meant to change. Or perhaps this is the deserved conclusion we always imagined.
Printing!